Violence has claimed over 32 lives, and as tension still grips Kokrajhar and the Buxar region, politicians are continuing their blame game. With the Congress blaming Narendra Modi's recent speeches for triggering the violence, the BJP is hitting back. They are accusing the Congress of not acting in time.
Even as fear strikes the Bodo areas of Assam after a bout of brutal post-poll violence, politics has taken over. A blame game breaking out over who triggered it all. The centre deflecting the blame on their state government.
जो वातावरण पैदा हुआ है हिंदुस्तान में आज के दिन, जो सांप्रदायिक वातावरण पैदा हुआ है, ये श्रेय नरेंद्र मोदी को जाता है।
16 मई के बाद ये बांग्लादेशी बिस्तरा बोरिया बांध के तैयार रखेंगे।
That direct attack on the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, who earlier this week took a strong line against Bangladeshi immigrants.
इसमें नरेंद्र मोदी से क्या मतलब है? वहां 14 वर्ष से कांग्रेस की सरकार है, 24 साल से डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह वहां से एमपी हैं, लगातार राज्यसभा में, और 10 साल से प्रधानमंत्री हैं, तो उन्होंने वहां सामाजिक तनाव को समाप्त करने में क्या काम किया है?
The BJP instead pointing the finger right at the Congress in Assam.
Have the BJP able to? What is the record of the Gujarat chief ministers? That was the wars. That was the state sponsored also. Did he call for the army? Did he refer the case? Last time I referred the case CBI, and I also on his own. He didn't call for the army. I called within a few hours.
But within his state, his ministers openly pointing at their own ally.
एक्चुअली इलेक्शन रिलेटेड बैलेंस है, अभी वो कम्युनिटी का ऊपर चला गया, क्योंकि वो प्रमिला रानी ब्रह्मो जब स्टेटमेंट दे दिया, स्टेटमेंट देने का बाद ये हुआ.
Despite that, charges and counter charges are flying around.
Whenever we make some statements, especially statements made by people like Modi, we don't realize where it leads to.
कांग्रेस ये जवाब दे कि आसाम में जो हत्या हो रही है उसका जिम्मेदार कौन है? क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी इसकी जिम्मेदारी लेगी कि नहीं?
Assam is burning once again. The army called in.
I cannot say the state government is in control of the situation for the simple reason that this kind of violence, attack on the Muslim settlers have been continuing with monotonous regularity, and the state government has only been firefighting the issue with no mechanism in place to prevent this kind of an attack.
But the politicians shamelessly sniping at each other. Bureau Report, Times Now.